So, in last video we have seen how to set up blog, and now we will learn. So this is our blog, we have created in last video. Now we will learn about left sidebar. So currently we are in post section. Here we can see our published post. Below that, in stats, we will see here, daily page views and much more information. In traffic source tab, you will see here that where your traffic comes from. Here in comments tab, we can see comments and we can delete them. Now, in the earnings section, we can monetize our blog from Google AdSense. Just read the eligibility criteria from here. Below earnings, we have campaigns. Here we can advertise our blog. Go to Pages tab, and there you can create pages. Now, in Layout, we can adjust our blog arrangements. Just take a look. Here we are going to add a sidebar gadget. I am going to add translate feature. Click on Save. And save arrangement. Click on View Blog and we will see changes. Translate feature is added to our blog. Just translate it. Below Layout, in Theme section you can change your blog theme, customize. You can go to Edit HTML. Here. While monetizing blog, we will need to put ad codes here. And at last, in setting, you can do a lot of changes about your blog. Just take a look at that. In next video, we will see how to monetize our blog with ad networks. Until next time, thanks for watching.